Welcome to the old Mayfield place. I'm Snow, the farmer's wife, and today we're going to be making shelf-stable cream of soup mix. You get to control the ingredients that go into it, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of non-fat dry milk powder, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of chicken bouillon powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the ingredients and mix well until everything is evenly distributed. You can use a whisk or a fork to get the job done. Once the mixture is well combined, transfer it to an airtight container like this mason jar. Add a desiccant to keep everything dry, then put the lid on tightly. You can store the soup mix in your pantry for up to a year. Don't forget your label. When you're ready to use your homemade cream soup mix, simply mix 1/3 of the cup of the mix with 1 1/4 cup of water. Bring this to a boil and stir until thickened. This batch will make 5 cans of soup. If your recipe calls for cream of mushroom soup, add 1 teaspoon of dried mushroom powder to your 1/3 cup of mix. For cream of celery soup, add 1/4 cup of chopped fresh celery or 1 tablespoon of powdered celery. That's all there is to it. Your very own healthy, shelf-stable cream of soup mix. Not only is it easy to make, but it's also a great way to keep your pantry well stocked. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place. Stay healthy. What's your favorite way of using cream soup? And have a blessed week.